growth of our state.
Myntri Rangbah ke Jela Konrad ke Sangma unsaya kendu ya Myntri Rangbah ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma Hadien ke Ilekshon Shaki District Council banyakren Halor ke Jingpen Bej Put ke bampat la ban penbej hapdang kini ki Arjela haki hinriu teliki jaka badangsa usang ma ulaong ba ulaya kren bat usarma ubala kerpat ya u ban penbej ya kitarik nakabenta ke Jingïalang Hadien ke Ilekshon ula penpau ke Jingkermen ba ki Jingïalang Hadien ke Ilekshon kinya chakman kumbala thmu hakaban penbej ya kimat badangsa bante Halor ka nongrim kabalabu haka Jingïalang bahaswa.
We had decided that we will meet after these elections, so the elections were now over. So we are scheduled to actually meet very soon. So yes, good question. We will be scheduled. In fact, I had a talk just yesterday with Ms. Himanta Biswa Sarma on some other issues. We were discussing about some other aspects. So we had mentioned this point about the meeting that's quite overdue. So he has asked me to suggest the dates. We hope that we'll be able to meet soon.
Boarding ke Jela kala Penteri Kam Syat